Today in this tutorial, I'll show you how to redact sensitive information from your video using Redact. Start by uploading your video to Redact. You can do a simple drag and drop or just copy paste its link. Now wait for a few minutes to get an AI transcript of your video. Okay, so your AI transcript will look something like this. These transcripts are up to 96% accurate and completely editable as well. From the transcript, look for parts that you want to redact and select them. Now click on the Redact button, then blur video. Now you'll see a black box that you can move around to cover face. Make sure it's covering enough, then just hit apply redaction. Reduct will automatically blur that part of your video. Feel free to apply as many reductions as you need in the video, and once done, download it by just clicking this button or share it via a link. Reduct makes redacting video quick and painless, so try it today. Thanks for watching.